Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another dotting nail art. This technique looks stunning and shows how versatile dots can be in creating various designs. This is my third or fourth time using dotting tool to create nail art. I am excited to share it with you. With just dotting tool, we can create beautiful nail art that looks much more complex than it actually looks. So let's start the video. Apply the first layer of gel polish. I am using white. You can choose any color you like. Make sure to apply a thick layer of polish. I always use gel polish for my nail art, not regular polish. Normally we apply 2 layers of gel polish, but for this design, we will only use 1 layer before curing. So apply it evenly and make it a thick layer. Now let's start adding the dots. I am using red for the dots, but you can use any color you like. First create a vertical line of dots, then add horizontally dots. You can place the dots randomly too. You can use a dotting tool or the polish brush to make the dots. For an uneven look, I use the polish brush directly. In other videos, I have used a dotting tool. For this part, I am using red, but feel free to use any color you like. In the next step, I will be using multiple colors. Next, I added dots using blue, green and pink gel polish. You can choose any colors you like, or you can use the same colors as me for your design. Feel free to follow along with your favorite colors to create a unique look. Now we will use a toothpick to create the design. I am starting from the middle of the nail, but you can start from the edge if you prefer. Here is an important tip: do not lift your hand or stop in the middle of the design because it won't look good. Place the toothpick in the middle and start connecting the dots in a circular pattern. It doesn't matter what color ends up in the center. Just focus on making a circle by connecting the dots. Once you finish the circle, cure your nails under UV light for 30 seconds to let the design dry. After that, apply a top shiny coat over the entire nail to add extra shine and seal the design. Cure it under UV light again for 30 seconds to dry the top coat. And there you have it, a simple yet unique design that looks great on your nails. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you so much for your support. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.